you doing, guys? Today's video about lighting. So I'm a nerd about lighting. I love perfect lighting. I like using lighting for many of things. Obviously for detailing is the main purpose, but I'm starting to look into other aspects of lighting. Now, obviously I have my own products, things like that. So I have a lot of people asking me, what should they use, things like that, and the consumer does not need a $400 scan grip. So I kind of was like putting things together, and I wanted to make a solution for the DIYer. I found a lot of old links online, on forums, things like that, but they all had dead links or misinformation. So today I have everything for you to make a lighting system under 80, 90, 100 bucks, I don't know. So come on. All right, so let's get this thing together, or let me explain how to put it together, or the components of it, whatever, I'm tired. So most important thing about a lighting system is, you guessed it, lighting, honk honk. So I got the EcoSmart pair of 38s from Home Depot. 2 bulbs in a set, 22, 23 bucks, depending on your taxes. You know how the deal is. So these actually are adjustable, and the reason I went to adjustable lights, they go from 2700 and then you just turn it to 6500. So your lighter color cars, your whites, your silvers, that sort of thing, you're gonna want a warmer light. The brightness of the 55, 65 Kelvin lights are going to wash out any imperfection. Not wash out like physically, but you're not gonna be able to see them. So turn that dial down and put it on 35, 27, 4K, whatever works for your situation, and you're gonna be able to see all the imperfections a lot better. Now, conversely, if you have a dark color car, you're gonna want super bright, 65, 55, put it on that, and all those imperfections are going to be able to be seen, and you can correct to whatever it is you correct to. Perfection, one step, just an improvement. You get the idea. So the next step, you need to put those on something. So you get a stand. I got this off of Amazon. Boop. 2 for 25 bucks. And you'll see why you get 2 in a second, or why I got 2. I'll put the link down below. Next, what are you gonna do with these lights? You need something to hold them. So, 2 for 15 bucks, I think. I don't know. But I'll put the link down below. So these are what your lights go into, obviously. Now, if you're ding dong like me, and you just Amazon click like crazy and forget what you bought, there's dual holders. So this just adjusts up and down like the single ones. And I think I'm gonna go with this because I like using, you'll see I'll probably use 2 hues or 1 hue in each, and then I'm putting one down at the bottom. But build it however you want, to your budget. This is pretty budget friendly, in my opinion. So the next thing I got was a clamp. So obviously this just clamps on to your tripod. It's gonna stick here, it's gonna stick there, here, there, wherever you wanna put it. Follow my instructions, deviate from that. You might be smarter than me. You're probably smarter than me. So let's get to building. All right, first thing you're gonna do, grab your tripod, set it up. So, wink. I'll start off with about right there. It's all adjustable. We'll go through that. So, first thing, set it up. Second thing you're gonna do, grab your clamp. The hex head inserts there. That'll hold it in tight, and just insert it on the rod. Tighten that up to whatever it is that you think you want. There you go. So, next thing we're gonna do is get our single one. You're gonna insert it, back up that screw. If it goes in, geez Louise. All right. Technical difficulties. It goes in, I swear. Told you. So, tighten that. There you go. Infinite adjustability. So we'll keep that there for now. And then the top one, make sure you back out that screw all the way. It sits on top. And there's a little ridge where it's going to sit in. Tighten it right in there. There you go. Pretty dang sturdy. I'm going to set my lights to 5K. Put them in. Put it in. Now this is a little, not janky, but it's not as flexible or, you know, I don't know. You can work with it, but as it sits like that, it's pretty dang easy. So next thing we're gonna do, obviously put a bulb in that. I'm gonna show you, actually, be back in a second. All right, I'm back. So I have this 3-pronged knot extension cord splitter, whatever you want to call it. I think I'm gonna maybe put it on one of the legs. That way you just have power coming into one, main one, and then these go off of that. So obviously you can get another clamp, put another one on this side, or this does actually fit in here. I'll show you just for those people that are visual learners. So take this one off, be right back. I'm back. And now insert it there. And away you go. So you can just do one. Like I said, I bought too many things, so there's actually 2 tripods with this setup. You can do infinite configurations. So whatever you want to do, just go do it. Now here's it in action. All right, so as you can see, I have it all set up, and this is what you're gonna see on the car. So I just set this one to 2700, that one's at 6K. So you can see the different hues. This one's gonna, that one is gonna actually show you, you know, if this was a lighter color car, you're gonna see much different, but you can see, it'll focus. There you go. The adjustability of everything, and then I like to put one, I wanted to put one down here because if I were to separate this more, then obviously you're gonna see more of the paint on something that's taller, or you know, you can shorten it. But you can also, which I thought this was gonna be a good idea, is if you have that super low one, it's when you're coating, you know, tires, or sorry, wheels, things like that, or just working a lower surface, you know, you just keep moving it, and you can work wherever you want. Obviously, total mobile, total, you know, whatever you want to do with it is up to you, but it's a pretty good guideline. I'm gonna clean up these wires once I figure out kind of the height that I want with it, and be good to go. Make sure to do all that stuff, like, follow, subscribe, tell me that I'm an idiot, tell me I did a good job, and click those links below. I'm not an affiliate to anything, so don't worry, you're not giving me any money by doing anything. I'm just helping you out. Thanks.